We are solving 32 cubed. The general trick uses 4 columns in this order: a cubed, a squared times b, a times b squared, and b cubed. Now, we set up the 4 columns. Step 1. Fill the 4 columns. A equals 3, b equals 2. First column, a cubed equals 27. Second column, a squared times b equals 9 times 2 equals 18. Third column, a times b squared equals 3 times 4 equals 12. Fourth column, b cubed equals 8. Step 2, double the 2 middle numbers. Double 18 gives 36. Double 12 gives 24. Step 3, add and carry from right to left. Right column, 8, right 8. Second column, 12 plus 24 equals 36. Right 6 and carry 3. Third column, 18 plus 36 plus 3 equals 57. Right 7 and carry 5. Left column, 27 plus 5 equals 32. Final result reads 32, 7, 6, 8. So, 32 cubed equals 32,768.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem solving tips. Let's make math simple. One video at a time only on my Maths.